CES 2026 may have been packed with flashy concepts, but one quiet demo could end up defining the future of foldables, and more specifically, the iPhone Fold. Behind closed doors, a next-generation folding OLED panel was briefly shown that strongly hints at what Apple has been waiting for all these years: a truly crease-less foldable display. At the center of this story is Samsung Display, Apple's primary OLED supplier. During CES 2026, Samsung Display showcased an experimental foldable OLED panel alongside the current Galaxy Fold hardware. According to Sam Mobile, the difference was immediately obvious. Even the best foldables today still show a crease at certain angles. This new panel didn't. Why does this matter so much for Apple? Because Apple has famously refused to enter the foldable market until the crease problem is solved. And now, that condition finally seems achievable. Supply chain analyst Ming-Chi Kuo previously revealed that Apple's foldable iPhone will use a laser-drilled metal display plate, a critical component that spreads bending stress evenly across the panel. That exact technology is being supplied by Fine M Tech, and it's the same core solution demonstrated in this CES panel. What's important here is that Apple isn't just borrowing Samsung's panel and calling it a day. Reports suggest Apple has designed its own panel structure, lamination process, and material stack. In other words, even if Samsung uses similar hardware elsewhere, the iPhone Fold's display tuning, durability targets, and visual consistency will be uniquely Apple. This is also where Apple's design philosophy comes in. Unlike the tall, narrow foldables we've seen so far, the iPhone Fold is rumored to adopt a wider, more tablet-like 4:3 aspect ratio when opened, much closer to an iPad mini experience. Now here's the key point that ties everything together. Samsung later clarified that the creaseless OLED shown at CES was officially an R&D concept, not confirmed for any upcoming Galaxy Fold. That distinction matters, because while Samsung may still iterate publicly, Apple is known for doing the opposite: waiting, perfecting, and then shipping the finished version. If Apple enters mass production later this year, as multiple reports suggest, the iPhone Fold could realistically be the first consumer device to ship with a genuinely creaseless foldable display. So what do you guys think about the upcoming iPhone Fold? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.